Now, the High Court in Machakos sought to determine whether a case filed by Dr. Tatu Kamau, who wants a female circumcision legalized, will proceed or not. Dr. Kamau, who has been practicing medicine for 26 years, wants the court to declare as unconstitutional an act that outlawed female genital mutilation. Kamau argues that stopping women from undergoing the cut, yet men are allowed to get circumcised, is discriminatory. According to her, banning the practice is tantamount to embracing Western culture and disregarding local practices as inferior. Caroline B. was at the court in the morning. Our reporter Caroline B. will be joining us shortly with an update on what really was said in the court earlier on in the day. She now joins us live from there. Caroline, a very good afternoon to you. Thank you for joining us here. What happened in court today?
Well, a good afternoon to you, Akisa. And just looking at how the day unfolded, or how the court mentioning unfolded, is that we now have 9 new, I could say, friends of the court who want to be enjoined in this case, and it includes we have Ngek, we have FIDA, we have the Samburu Girls Foundation, we also have Msichana Empowerment Kenya, Kewopa Katiba Institute, all of them seeking to be part of this case. And what was actually concluded today is that there's another mentioning on the 19th of April this year, where that case will come up. But a very interesting thing that happened is that there is an old man by the name of Kiplangat Arap Koech, and he says that he's in support of FGM, or what he would say circumcision, and he does not support FGM but supports circumcision. And to him, the difference comes in when FGM is more of mutilation, but circumcision is what he says it's the traditional way of ensuring that girls get into adulthood. So he wants to be enjoined with a petitioner in that case, and come the 19th of March, I bet they will be prepared for that. And so the court has granted 21 days leave for the petitioners, or actually for the respondents, to give in their affidavits, or to serve each of the respondents the affidavits. So once that is done, then the case can proceed on the 19th. But when it comes to issues about FGM, there are issues of the health of the girl, which has been quite, I could say, what NGOs have been fighting for, saying that most girls who undergo FGM are not able to continue with their education. There are also health issues associated with fistula, which is also a very big problem among the girls. That aside, some of the things that the FGM will be fronting, the FGM NGOs will be fronting, so that they could win this case. But so far, that is the update that we have. But on the 19th of April is where everything will unfold. There's also a request by some of the lawyers to have a 3-judge bench hearing this case. So it is, the court is also going to give feedback on that. Just some of the updates that I was able to gather today from the court.
Caroline B. for us there in the county of Machakos. It is a story that will continue to follow.